great explorers! And welcome to our amazing adventure inside the human body. Today, we're going on a super exciting journey to explore something that's always on the move. Working hard every second of every day, even when you're fast asleep. What is it? It's your circulatory system. That sounds like a big, fancy word, but it's really just the name for your body's very own delivery service. Think of it like a massive network of roads and highways. But instead of cars, it has something much more precious. Your blood.
And this system makes sure that everything your body needs gets delivered right to where it needs to go.
Ready to become an expert explorer? Let's dive in. So, what's the most important part of this whole delivery network? It's the superstar of the show, the engine that never stops running. Your heart. Go ahead, make a fist with your hand. Your heart is about that size. It sits right in the middle of your chest, a little bit to the left. And its job is incredible. It's a super strong muscle that pumps and pumps and pumps all day long. This pumping action is what pushes your blood all around your body. It's like the central station for our entire body-wide highway system. Every single beat sends blood rushing out to begin its journey. Isn't that amazing? It works tirelessly to keep you healthy and full of energy. Now, let's talk about the highways and roads themselves. In our body, these aren't made of pavement. They're tiny tubes called blood vessels. We have three main types. First, we have the arteries. You can think of arteries as the big, wide-open highways leading away from the heart. They carry bright red blood that's packed full of oxygen, which is the special gas we breathe in from the air. Our body cells need oxygen to have energy to do everything, from running and jumping to thinking and even growing. So, arteries are delivering the fuel. After the arteries deliver all that wonderful oxygen, the blood needs to travel back to the heart. This is where our second type of blood vessel comes in. The veins. Veins are the roads that lead back, to the heart. The blood in the veins has dropped off its oxygen, so it's a darker red color. It's on its way back to the central station to get a refill. So, remember? Arteries away. Veins carry blood back the other way. It's a simple way to keep track of the direction of traffic in our amazing body. But what about the tiny little side streets? How does the oxygen get from the big highway arteries to each individual house, or in our case, each individual cell? That's the job of the third type of blood vessel. Capillaries. Capillaries are super duper tiny, so you'd need a powerful microscope to see them. They connect the arteries to the veins. They are like the small neighborhood roads that reach every single part of your town. It's here in the capillaries that the real magic happens. The oxygen and nutrients jump out of the blood and into the cells. And at the same time, the cells hand over their waste products, like carbon dioxide, to the blood to be taken away. It's a super efficient exchange! Okay, we've talked about the heart, the arteries, the veins, and the capillaries. But what about the stuff actually traveling on these roads? That's right! It's the blood! But blood isn't just red liquid. It's a team of amazing workers, all floating in a yellowish liquid called plasma. First up, we have the red blood cells. These are the delivery trucks. Their main job is to pick up oxygen when we breathe in and carry it all around Thebedy. They are the reason blood is red. Next on the team are the white blood cells. These are your body's personal bodyguards and their job is to fight off nasty germs and bacteria that can make you sick.
Whenever a villainous virus or bad bacteria tries to invade,
the white blood cells rush to the scene to fight it off and keep you healthy. They are your very own immune system army, patrolling your body 24/7. So next time you get over a cold, you can thank your hardworking white blood cells. Then we have the platelets. These little guys are the emergency repair crew. Have you ever gotten a small cut or scrape? After a little while, you probably notice that the bleeding stops and a scab starts to form. That's the platelets in action. When you get a cut, they rush to the site of the injury and stick together, forming a plug or a clot to stop the bleeding. They are essential for helping your body heal itself. Without platelets, even a tiny cut could be a big problem. So let's put it all together and follow a drop of blood on its complete journey. It's called circulation. Let's start in the heart. The heart pumps oxygen-rich blood out into the biggest artery, the aorta. From there, this bright red blood travels through smaller and smaller arteries until it reaches the tiny capillaries all over your body, from the tips of your toes to the top of your head. Here, it delivers oxygen and nutrients to the cells. Once it's dropped off the goods, the now oxygen-poor blood, carrying waste products like carbon dioxide, enters the veins. It travels through bigger and bigger veins until it gets back to the heart. But wait, the journey isn't over! The heart now pumps this blood on a special, short trip to the lungs. In the lungs, the blood drops off the carbon dioxide, which we then breathe out. At the same time, it picks up a fresh supply of oxygen from the air we breathe in. Now, the freshly oxygenated, bright red blood travels from the lungs right back to the heart. And what happens next? The whole process starts all over again. The heart gives it a big push, and it's sent back out to the rest of the body. This entire loop from the heart to the body, back to the heart, to the lungs, and back to the heart again happens in about 1 minute. Your blood is constantly looping through this cycle to keep you alive and energetic. So, how can we keep our amazing circulatory system happy and healthy? It's easy and fun. First, get moving. Running, jumping, swimming, riding your bike, any kind of exercise makes your heart muscle stronger. A strong heart can pump blood more efficiently. Second, eat a healthy diet. Foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains give your body the nutrients your blood needs to deliver. Drinking plenty of water is also super important, as it helps your blood flow smoothly through all those vessels. And finally, getting enough sleep gives your body, including your heart, time to rest and repair. And there you have it. You are now an expert on the circulatory system. You know about the powerful heart, the highway-like arteries, the returning veins, the tiny capillaries, and the incredible team of red cells, white cells, and platelets that make up your blood. It's a complex and amazing system that works non-stop to keep you going. So next time you feel your heart beating, you'll know exactly what's happening. It's your body's amazing delivery service. Hard at work? Thanks so much for joining me on this incredible journey inside the human body. I hope you had fun and learned a lot. If you enjoyed our adventure, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting explorations. We'll see you in the next video. Bye for now!